Hello guys, it's your boy here, King Jizla. It's your boy King Jizla here, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So now it's around 9, 10, no 10:30 in the evening, at night actually. So I have some lessons for you guys. Today I'm going to teach you how to use your crash while playing worship opening and closing of the hi-hats, yeah, while playing the worship drum beats. So I'll start. So if you've seen the previous video, I've been showing you how to play 4/4 drum beats. Yes, 4/4 drum beats. That's Yes, that one. So today I'm going to teach you how to use opening and closing of your hi-hats on playing worship drumming. So I'll start. Yes, my microphone will be somewhere here. Yes, yes. So I'll be counting. Opening and closing. One, two, remember that I'm using 8 notes here in the hi-hat. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1, 3, 4, 1, 3. So we'll increase the tempo a little bit. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and slower, slower. When we use 16th note here on our hi-hat, so it's just like that. It's just as simple as that. Yeah, see you in the next lesson. Yeah, keep it King Jizla. Yeah, keep it King Jizla, and we are out.